Hi everyone. Many people pride themselves on their amazing cooking. I pride myself on being able to shove a lot of things that I like in a pot, make something edible and not poison myself. So I thought one of the best ways to do this would be to buy a slow cooker. So I decided to make a mayflower chicken curry in a slow cooker for the first time. I originally decided to buy a slow cooker when I seen this slow cooked chocolate chip cookie online, but since I've never even used a slow cooker before, I thought I would take it one step at a time and cook something in it that I've actually cooked in a normal pot before. So when I seen this crock pot in TK Maxx for £20, I had to buy it. It would have been practically a crime to leave it in the shop. I thought £20 was a good price to pay for a slow baked cookie. Clearly, all the slow cooker videos that I see on Facebook every day have got me brainwashed into believing that I can make delicious meals. At this point, I had never used a slow cooker and I'd never ate anything that had been cooked in one before. Since I like making chicken curry, I thought that would be the first thing that I would cook in it, except this time I would make it slightly different from what I usually do. As you can see here, this is me opening up the box. Nothing too exciting. I did think it was quite good that you got the plastic utensils with it as well. It did say on the front of the box that you get a recipe book, but it's more like a recipe leaflet. Once I had it set up, I was quite excited to try out my new way of making chicken curry. I'm not a cooking professional, this is just the way I made my curry and it turned out quite nice. First of all, I mixed up the chicken stock. Chopped up some onions and garlic. I take quite a lot of onion in my curry. I put that into the pot with some chicken breast on low for 3 hours. After that, I drained out the stock and I added a tin of tomatoes. Many people would say, why do you add tomatoes to your curry? But I just like it. A lot of Indian curries have tomatoes in them and I think it gives it a really good flavour. Sometimes I use real tomatoes, it really just depends on what I've got available at the time. So I drained the juice out the tin of tomatoes and added some more garlic and onion. Then I mixed up some mayflower curry sauce. This is available in Farm Foods for £1 and it's definitely my favourite curry sauce. It's easy to cook and it tastes amazing. After that I put it back in on low for another 2 hours. It didn't seem like it needed that long, but I left it in just to be on the safe side. Finally I shredded the chicken and left it to cook for another 10 minutes. Even though I usually make this curry a lot quicker, and I normally cook it without putting it in stock first, I think that this turned out really nice. I can't wait to try out a slow baked chocolate chip cookie in it, and I'll show you it once I do. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!